Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with the one and only Basement Doctor John Clements.
How are you this morning?
I'm great, how are you?
I should say this afternoon.
Yes.
It's kind of like right at that crossroads.
Now, John.
Yes.
You say spring has sprung.
I went for a walk the other night with my wife, walked out, looked down, and saw the daffodils breaking the mulch, and the tree had buds on it. Hit for a park, everything's starting to bloom, or starting to bud, I should say. Yes, spring is sprung.
Sure, well, we are all excited about it. Can't come soon enough.
That's right.
But that also indicates that rain and flooding might become an issue.
Well, today, front page of the paper, they're talking about the channel that they're digging in Ottawa to prevent flooding. Whenever I see the daffodils break the ground, it usually means that we've got one nasty snow coming, and it's going to be that real heavy heart attack wet snow that's going to melt and be slushy in 2 days and rain following. And that's when our phone goes crazy because everybody's basement floods because they've forgotten about it all winter long.
Sure.
And out of sight, out of mind. All of this is preventable. All of it's fixable. They just got to put it back in the front burner and say, hey, have us out for an estimate.
So what are some options?
Well, usually you can control water very easily by making sure that your roof is maintained properly, that the gutters and the downspouts are draining freely and they're not ice dams and things like that. But if you do have that old house or the footer tile that's collapsing, there is ways of fixing it by putting in a new footer tile from the inside and draining the basement properly. We can turn it into living space.
So now's the time to kind of go around your property, check
things
it out,
yeah.
give you a call.
If you notice the slightest little thing, don't hesitate. It's a free estimate. We're not a pressure salesman.
Okay, great information, John. Thanks so much. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you next time.